This is a tutorial on how to find copies of materials outside of San Jose State. So you're going to use OneSearch to locate your item. Then you're going to go to the drop-down and select California State University Collections. When you locate your item, you are going to check, check holdings. Then you're going to request the item. Oh, here we go. Request from other CSU libraries, CSU Plus. And then you simply go down and you send the request, and the library will notify you when it is available for pickup at the SJSU library.